What's up guys, and today's video, our YouTube tutorial will talk about how to delete all watched history in our desktop mode and mobile phone YouTube application. By the way, I'm Kuya Deso and I upload travel, foods, tutorials, reviews, and other informative videos. If you are new to this channel and do you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified on my next upload. Let's start! Tara! Let's start with the website in our desktop mode. Step 1. Click on the history button found on the home page on the left side. And you can see here what we watched previously with red lines. Step 2. Click Clear Watch History on the right side of the page. Then click Clear Watch History. As you can see, all of our views with red lines have been erased. What about search history? Step 1. Just click Watch and Search History below. We will go to the next tab in My Activity of YouTube History. Below, you will find our search histories. Step 2. Press the Delete button. There are 3 delete option buttons there. Let's select Delete All Time. Then click Delete. Let's go back to the home. Let's move on to mobile phone. Now here, we are on our mobile phone. Let's go to our YouTube application. We are now in our YouTube home. Let's check the library at the bottom right side to see what we have watched in the past. Here, we can see our watched videos with red lines. How do we delete the watch and search history? Step 1. Touch the profile logo at the top right of the screen. Step 2. Press Settings. Step 3. Click on History and Privacy. Step 4. Select Clear Watched History. Then click the Clear Watch History again. Watch history cleared. Next is the same with Clear Search History. Then click Clear Search History. Search history cleared. That's how easy it is to delete watch and search history on our desktop and mobile phones with the YouTube application. And if you like this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. At kung gusto mo pa makapanood ng iba pang mga videos, i-click mo lamang ang video na lalabas sa ating end screen.
What's up mga kabago? Don't forget to subscribe, just click here.
For more videos, please subscribe Deso Channel right here.
For more videos,